Hello world, it's Curtis Potter with Balanced Inspiration. Today I wanted to talk to you about my last 4 days or so. I had ended a job a little early, a couple days early, so I had Thursday and Friday I was able to take off. Um, but if you know me, I'm always working on something. And even my pastor said the other day, this I see this man as an anointed man of God. He's doing great things, and it seems like he's on a very efficient level. Even he said that he's going to be working on himself to the day he dies to continue being the best version of himself daily, just to give the most to this world. So that's what I was doing. I was cleaning, cleaning up all the tools and materials from the job site, organizing my tool room, and doing a bunch of outside work because it was beautiful. That spring cleaning, it was a perfect 4 days to do that. Yard work, raking up leaves, cleaning up sticks, putting up new fence. I was keeping myself busy and I was just loving it. But the whole time I was thinking, it's visible that I need to clean up this area of my life. But what other areas are needed cleaned up as well? Some may be visible. Some of them I may have been just kind of trying to block out. Like I know I need to improve that. But, you say them buts. But I really started thinking about it, like, where do I need to clean up my relationships? Where do I need to clean up my mind space? Where do I need to clean up my health? Do I need to eat a little better? And actually, I decided that I'm going to go back on a diet that I love being on, but somehow I had gotten off. It's very easy to get off at times. On different things. You go through winter here in Indiana, and I've noticed that it's easy for me to get in the habit of watching a little bit more TV versus the working out, because that's life throws all these curveballs at you. You have kids, you have sports, you have work, you have just different priorities, and you can get off in other places. So my question to you is, are there areas where that you need to clean up your life? Maybe I shouldn't drink as much. Maybe I shouldn't smoke as much. Maybe I shouldn't think as negatively. Is there books that you can read to help you also advance in this cleaning out? You never know. You may read a book for work, and it may 6 months down the line actually get you the promotion that you were seeking, that can clean up other areas in your life. So you knew you wanted to spend more time on vacations, or in a better vehicle, or whatever it is that you're trying to achieve and do. Cleaning up your life in a couple small areas ahead of that may actually help you achieve what you're trying to achieve. So my day to you are today, I just invite you, look in the mirror. Be honest with yourself. Where are some areas that I can clean up in my life that is going to make the rest of my life easier, more efficient, where I have to do less but make more, or do less and excel faster? Because that's all it's going to do when you get clean and organized and efficient in your life. If you know someone that needs to hear this, needs a little bit cleaning up in their life, maybe even yourself, share, like, comment, tag somebody, send in their DM, whatever it is. And if you want to see more videos like this, it's Curtis Potter Jr. on YouTube. So you know the drill, folks. Every single day, taking another step forward to becoming more boundless. You know what? We may never get to be completely boundless, but every single day we're getting closer. Thank you all for being part of this journey. I love you, and I hope you have a great day.